Hello students and welcome to today's class. Today we are going to see the topic of superlative adjectives. Before explaining the topic, I need you to open your workbook on page 36. This will be the exercise number 11. In the exercise A, you have to read this lecture. So please pause the video, read the lecture, and when you finish, play the video again. All right, if you're done, let's continue with the exercise B. Here, you must classify the bold words from the lecture in these two categories, adjectives with est and adjectives with most. For example, here we have tall and exciting. And we can see that here it says Mount Everest is here. Mount Everest is one of the toughest and most exciting. So we're gonna write exciting over here. All right, do it and we'll continue in a moment. All right, you finished. Now let's see the rules of the superlative adjectives. First, let's see when we use the superlative adjectives. We use superlative to describe an object which is the upper limit of a quality, and it is compared to a group of objects. For example, imagine that we have Dave over here. We could say that he's tall, but now let's imagine that he's with his friends. Now we can say that he is the tallest of the group. There is the tallest of the group. Let's see another example. Here we have his friend John. If you remember, John is intelligent. And if we compare it with his friends, we could say that he is the most intelligent of the group. Because we're comparing John with the rest of them, and he is the most intelligent. All right? Now that we understand the use of superlative adjectives, let's see how to write them. For this, we're going to see some rules. Rule number 1. For adjectives with one syllable, add est to the adjective. Old, oldest. Strong, strongest. Est. Rule number 2. For adjectives ending in y, change y to I and add est. Pretty, prettiest with I. Crazy, craziest with I. Rule number 3, for adjectives with 2 or more syllables, add most in front of the adjective. Interesting, most interesting, because it is interesting. 3 syllables, so we're gonna add most. Beautiful, most beautiful. Beautiful. 3 syllables, so most. All right. Rule number 4, for short adjectives that end in E, just add ST. For example, rude already ends in E, so we are gonna add ST for rudest. Strange already ends in E, so we're gonna add ST for strangest. Rule number 5, some adjectives need double consonant. Big ends in a consonant, then a vowel, and then a consonant. So we're gonna repeat the last letter So we have biggest. Also with hat, we have consonant, vowel, consonant. So we're gonna repeat the last letter so that we have hottest. Okay, consonant, vowel, consonant, and we repeat the last letter. Biggest, hottest. Finally, some adjectives are irregular. The same adjectives that are irregular in comparative form are irregular in the superlative form. For example, good, the superlative form of good is best, not goodest, best. The superlative form of bad is worst, and the superlative form of far is farthest. Very good. This is everything you need to know about this topic. Don't forget to take notes in your notebook for exercise number 12. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next class.